Imagine waking up every morning, checking your phone, and seeing another Airbnb booking. Now imagine you don't own a hotel. You don't have a team. And AI does most of the work. One developer used Claude Code to build an Airbnb tool that reportedly grew into a business earning around $13,000 per month. Today, I'll break down exactly how this works, why Airbnb hosts are paying for AI tools, and how you can build a similar business even if you're starting with very little coding experience. Let's get into it. AI isn't replacing businesses. It's creating entirely new ones. Most people are using Claude AI to write emails or homework. Smart entrepreneurs are using Claude Code to build software that solves expensive problems. And Airbnb hosts have plenty of expensive problems. Part 1: The Airbnb Opportunity. Millions of Airbnb properties are listed worldwide. Every host wants more bookings, better reviews, higher nightly prices, less manual work. That's where AI comes in. Hosts spend hours every week replying to guests, adjusting prices, writing descriptions, and managing listings. If software can save them 5 hours every week, paying $50 or even $200 a month becomes an easy decision. You're not selling AI. You're selling time. Part 2: What Claude Code does. Claude Code is an AI coding assistant. Instead of writing every line yourself, you describe what you want. For example, build a dashboard that helps Airbnb hosts manage guest messages. Claude generates the code. Need a pricing calculator? Claude builds it. Need an automated email system? Claude helps create it. Need booking analytics? Claude writes most of the application. Instead of spending months coding, you can build an MVP in days. Part 3: Airbnb Problems You Can Solve. Here are real ideas. Idea 1. AI Guest Reply Generator. Automatically creates friendly responses. Hosts save hours every week. Idea 2. Pricing Optimizer. Suggests better nightly prices based on demand. Higher revenue for hosts. Idea 3. Listing Description Generator. Creates SEO-friendly Airbnb descriptions. More visibility. More bookings. Idea 4. Review Assistant. Generates professional guest reviews instantly. Idea 5. Cleaning Scheduler. Automatically notifies cleaners after checkout. Idea 6. Maintenance Tracker. Keeps track of repairs and reminders. Idea 7. Expense Dashboard. Tracks Airbnb income and expenses. Each solves one painful problem. That's what customers pay for. Part 4: How someone could reach $13,000 per month. Let's do simple math. 200 customers. Each pays $65 per month. That's $13,000 every month. Or 130 customers paying $99 per month. The key isn't getting millions of users. It's solving one valuable problem for a specific audience. Part 5: Build it with AI. Step 1. Research Airbnb Facebook groups and Reddit. Find common complaints. Step 2. Use Claude Code to build a simple solution. Step 3. Test it with a few hosts. Step 4. Improve based on feedback. Step 5. Charge a monthly subscription. Repeat. Part 6: Free Tech Stack. You can start using tools like Claude Code, ChatGPT, GitHub, Supabase, Versal, Stripe. Most offer free tiers to help you build an MVP before spending money. The biggest opportunity in AI isn't asking ChatGPT questions. It's building products people happily pay for every month. Airbnb hosts are already spending money on tools that help them save time and earn more. If you can build something useful with AI, you don't need thousands of customers. You just need to solve one real problem exceptionally well. If this video gave you a new business idea, hit the like button. Subscribe my YouTube channel Global Income Hub for weekly AI business ideas. And comment below. Airbnb AI. I'll reply with even more SaaS ideas you can build using Claude Code and ChatGPT. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.